How to set up email automations in Wix Forms. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to add the Wix Forms into your website or dashboard of your website, and then you're going to send up automations through this app. So we are going to select here the site that we want to integrate this option to. Obviously, you need to sign in into an account within Wix platform, then select the website that you want. If you do not have a website, I highly recommend for you to create a website on Wix. It is going to be here very easy and very, let's say, quick. So we are going to head over Wix. Here we have the dashboard. Then we are going to click on apps. We are going to make sure that we are going to set up Wix Forms. So we are going to type in Wix Forms, and then we are going to install it. So we are going basically to search on the app. As you can see, it is already installed. I'm going to click on install in case I haven't. Then we are going to head over here. I'm going to be back right quick. Then we are going to scroll down a little bit on the, as you can see here, the menu or the dashboard to the automations. Click on here, and then we are going to see all type of automations that we have. So we are going to see here a different type of automations, but we are going to see these suggested. So we are going to see here manage business, get an email when a form is submitted. So we are going to set up automations. Click on here, and then you are going to see the trigger and the action. So the trigger is going to be already submitted an email, or you can go ahead and set up the let's say the trigger from the beginning. So you are going to select the trigger. As you can see, we have a lot of choices that we can choose. If you are going to put it from scratch, you are going to set up here Wix Forms, and see here we have two, as you can see, some options. We have four options: form submitted, which is going to be the trigger, option chosen on a form submitted, or choice selected on a form. So basically, I'm going to use only the form submitted, and the action. You can go ahead and add a step, for example, a delay if you want, for example, 1 day or 1 hour, for example, 1 hour. I'm going to apply, or maybe here, not hour, but let's say 2 minutes. And then we are going to send the email. So you can go ahead and set up the sender details. You can go ahead and create an email or edit the email. As you can see, set up the email type if you want, and the recipients. Here the collaborator role is going to be the recipients. So basically it is going to have here the form submitters. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. Don't forget to activate your, as you can see here, the trigger or the automation from here. And I hope to see you soon on the next one.